Are you thinking about selling your home, but you don't want to deal with the hassle and expense of fixing it up, staging, and showing your house? Well, there are alternatives. Quick, easy, fast, and all cash. So let's get to it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you end up getting any value from this video, please like, subscribe, and share, as that really helps motivate me to keep making these videos. Okay, without further ado, have you heard of iBuyers? Companies that pay all cash for homes? Yes, companies like OfferPad and Opendoor pay cash for homes. Zillow used to offer this service, but they quit last year. Anyway, OfferPad and Opendoor buy homes with the plan to fix them up and resell it, or sometimes they plan to keep the home for the long term and to rent it out. At EXP Realtor, we partner with Express Offers, a major iBuyer that offers the same hassle-free all-cash purchases. So, what is the difference between Express Offers and other iBuyers? First, Express Offers is EXP Realty's online marketplace of iBuyers that can get you multiple offers. We don't represent just one buyer like Opendoor and OfferPad does. Express Offers represents many iBuyers, so many home sellers receive more than just one offer from Express Offers, sometimes several competing offers. Then home sellers can choose the best one. By the way, we are so confident that Express Offers will be your best offer that we strongly encourage home sellers to reach out to Opendoor and OfferPad and get an offer from them too. Second, Express Offers does not charge big due diligence fees like most iBuyers do. Why pay 7 or 12% when you can avoid that extra cost? Additionally, Express Offers certified representatives like me will provide you with a cost analysis that you can easily see the difference between offers, including any offer you have from another source. We like to make it easy for you. Third, as a realtor representing not only Express Offers, but also representing you, I will provide you with a full analysis of your iBuyer cash offer versus what you could anticipate to receive if you were to list your home in the traditional manner on the market. So you'll be moving forward with all the information on either decision that you may want to make. So how does it all work? A home seller contacts me and I immediately do a search to find you an iBuyer that will pay cash for your home. Once I have determined how many and which iBuyers are likely to bring you an offer, I meet with you, complete an intake process for the Express Offers iBuyer, and then I submit that to our platform on your behalf. Next, we can expect to potentially hear from the iBuyer within 24 hours, but not more than 5 days. And if you accept an offer from one of our iBuyers, it can take as little as 5 days. You pick the closing date, get the cash, and then begin the next chapter of your life. All easy, fast, and with no hassle. By the way, as an Express certified representative, I can offer this service to any home seller in Marin County. And if you aren't in Marin, no worries. Still reach out to me, as I can find you an Express Offers representative anywhere in the United States. Just email me and we'll get the ball rolling. And if you're thinking of going down the traditional path of selling your home, be sure to check out my videos on insane realtor services for home sellers. You definitely want to know what any realtor should be doing for you. And if you made it this far, please subscribe. It helps. Have a great day.